Hi, once again welcome to Ayuceps. In this video tutorial, we are discussing about Gokshura. Gokshura is an ancient herb used since thousands of years. Its botanical name is Tribulus terretris. It belongs to Zygophyllaceae family. Vernacular names in English: Puncture wine, cow hage. In Hindi, Gokru. Parayas of Gokshura: Ikshugandhika. Ikshu means sugarcane. Gandhika smells. It has a smell like sugarcane. Second paraya is Gokshura. The fruits of Gokshura has spines. This herb spread along the ground. Cows while walking on the ground, the foot spines usually press the feet of cow. Third is a Trikantaka. Fruits has three pair of spines. Phala. Fruits having spines. Swadu Kantaka. Spinous fruit has sweet odor and taste. Habit: it is a prasari shupa. Properties of Gokshura: Guna Guru Snigdha, Rasa Madura, Vipaka Madura, Virya Shita. Effect on Tridosha: it balances all Tridoshas. Amayika Prayoga: Basti Shodhana: it detoxifies urinary bladder. Rusha: aphrodisiac in nature. Ashmari: useful in renal calculi. Kasa: useful in cold and cough. Prameha: useful in urinary tract related disorders. Arsha: useful in piles. Prayoja Anga Phala. Ayurvedic medicines: Gokshuradi Guggulu. Useful in dysuria, gouts and diabetes. Gokshuradi choorna. Used in treatment of ascites and diseases of urinary bladder. Dosage: 1 to 3 grams per day. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep supporting.